You've heard about dancing around the maypole. Well, that usually happens on May 1st, but we had our own version of the maypole dance on the 2nd of May in Lebanon when Lebanon Electric Cooperative installed poles for OTC's new line worker training program. Lebanon Electric donated all 20 poles for the program that will debut in August of 2018. The official name of the degree program will be Electrical Distribution Systems. Besides Lebanon Electric, OTC also received a private donation to help get the program off the ground. OTC's program is one of only 2 line worker programs in the state. And we're nearly on to summer break, and that usually means that the college feels like a ghost town. But last summer, the college was a little more jumping in June and July thanks to the restoration of year-round Pell Grants. U.S. Senator Roy Blunt stopped by OTC Springfield to meet some students from OTC and other local colleges who benefit from access to a Pell Grant in the summertime. Blunt was instrumental in getting year-round Pell Grants reinstated. The senator estimates that there are approximately 20,000 students in the state who attend college year-round, and those students will benefit from a $175 per year increase in this year's Pell Grant.
A third of Missouri's college students, about 130,000 college students, are Pell recipients. We think there'll be 20,000 Pell students in school this summer that wouldn't have been in school in Missouri this summer, and about 1 million Pell students in the country that'll be in school this summer. And for most of them, that means they'll finish their education quicker. They'll get to that job that comes post-graduation quicker.
Our elected officials love OTC in Washington and Jefferson City. Lieutenant Governor Mike Parsons stopped by the OTC Lebanon Center on April 23rd to tout his Buy Missouri campaign. Essentially, his office is making everyone aware of the variety of goods produced in the Show Me State, and he's encouraging us to buy them. And before he left the Lebanon Center, he praised the college and the excellent facility in Lebanon.
I just appreciate being able to come to a facility like this. You guys should be so proud in Lebanon, Missouri. And I'm sitting here now. I got Southwest Baptist University. I'm proud of my university there. But to have these kind of facilities here in these towns is just a pretty unique opportunity, and it's just good for the town.
What does $500 mean to you? A new lawnmower? A 3-day weekend vacation? Maybe even a new pair of sneakers? But if big baller brand Zo2 shoes aren't your style, that $500 burning a hole in your pocket could be the difference between an education obtained with burdensome debt or one that's free and clear. We kept hearing that story time and again from students who attended the donor reception at the Old Glass Place in early April. The OTC Foundation gave out more than $300,000 in scholarships this year, and it allowed students to concentrate on school and not worry about how they were going to pay for it.
This has really tremendously made a difference. I don't know where it would have come from.
And how much debt are you going to graduate with?
Zero.
Zero debt.
That's why it was so significant for me, because I've just pressed and pressed to have no debt through these degrees, and I will be graduating debt-free.
The college honored Gordon Elliott of Elliott Lodging with the Excellence in Business Award for 2018. We learned that Gordon is the son of Irish immigrants who worked as evangelical ministers. Gordon started life as an accountant, but began buying rental properties and eventually hotels. We also learned that Gordon's been to Antarctica. He met Elvis, and Patrick Swayze once even stayed in one of his hotels, thanks to everyone who made this year's EIB a success. Later this month, OTC students will get to enjoy that wonderful moment when all of their hard work culminates with a handshake from Chancellor Higdon. Well, the Chancellor doesn't just shake their hands, he also hands them something, and that's the payoff, the credential from OTC. To get students fired up and ready for graduation, the college hosted its annual grad prep event last month. 349 students picked up their caps and gowns that day. And they're ready for Thursday, May 17th at 6 p.m. in the evening at Missouri State's JQH Arena. And we'll see you there. Back in April, students graduating from the college's high school equivalency program, or HiSET, earned their diplomas at the Galois. 217 students earned their HiSETs this year. Plus, all of the graduates get one free 3-hour course from OTC. It's springtime, and that means it's time for the annual picnic. And that means the college was awash in hot dogs, chips, soda, and thankfully this year's sunshine. We leave you with a look back on the picnic, and until next time, I'll see you around the college.